If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Everybody, it's Tamika. We have a little combo here. I am going to share with you a quick idea that you could use to amp up or ramp up your gift cards. I know everybody hates to give gift cards because they feel like it's lame, but I'm going to share with you a few ways, one in this video, of how you can zhuzh up your gift card. So this is a combination of a voiceover and reality, but I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Let's get started. So I'm using my Silhouette software program. All I did was make a square and resize it to the size of the aluminum business card size. And then I took the image that they sent me in the email and I merged it into fit that those parameters that I put. I typed in, this one is fake, so don't try it. I typed in the gift card number in the pin, and then I made it the adjustable size for what I wanted. And then I mirrored it the image because I'm sublimating, and I printed it out. You can print a lot on the 8.5 by 11. Okay, now that I have my design ready to go, it's going to print directly from my Silhouette software studio. I will be sublimating it on with this paper. This paper is from KOALA, 8.5 by 11 sublimation paper. Heavy paper for sublimation, so it works really well. It prints so nice and bright even before the sublimation, so absolutely love it. You get 100 sheets with this, and I will link them down below. I purchased their paper well before I became an affiliate with them, so definitely check them out. You know, I love their ink, their photo map paper for when you are doing just regular die cuts. This is from Shabby Art Boutique, and I'm getting ready to die cut this out. So anyway, sublimation paper, this will be linked down below, as well as the photo mat paper that I just showed you. And then I'm also going to sublimate my gift cards on these aluminum white business card size blanks. So I have them in white. I also have them in black, which I absolutely love. So I print like my, ooh, that was loud. My Scrap the World business cards on here. And when I'm doing, when I'm at an event or something, I will pass out these little cards and put my information on there. So absolutely love these white ones. They both print really well with sublimation. All right, so I've gone ahead and printed out our fake gift card. So just remember to mirror your image when you're getting ready to print it off, because you want your sublimation to be upright. So you just take one of your blanks, and then you take some sublimation tape or heat resistant tape, and you just put it on top. And then to prevent shadowing, you want to make sure you secure all around the perimeter. I made my gift card a little bit bigger than the actual card itself so that there won't be any weird shortages on my card. Just want to make sure that's nice and straight. And then I'm just going to tape it down. All right, I have that nice and taped very well so that there's no open air spaces. There's no gaps, so it should prevent as much ghosting as possible. I'm going to be using my HTV RONT heat press. I have the swing away press as well as the automatic press. Today I'll be using the swing away because it's nice, ready, and hot. I was using it earlier for my Christmas shirts. So how it will look, the sandwich, the heat press. The bottom layer is Teflon. Then you have your sublimation paper facing up that's mirrored. You have your business card or your sublimation blank facing down, taped with the heat resistant tape. And then you can put a piece of butcher paper on the top. I buy the butcher paper by the roll instead of the 12 by 12 sheets. I think it's much easier. You can use as much as you want. I will link that down below as well. So I'm going to take this over to the heat press. It's going to press on 400 degrees for 50 seconds. You can do 40 to 60. I'm just going to keep it in the middle at 50. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I let that cool just for 30 seconds. Don't take long. And boom. There we have our card. super, super cute. Look like you got it from Shein itself. So, that's one way to fancy up your e-cards, but we're going to take it one step further and actually make a gift card for it. So I've already gone ahead and downloaded a gift card file from Creative Fabrica. I will link the file that I used down below in the description box. Just be aware that this is actually a laser file, but they do come with SVG files. You could just break it apart, cut off what you want, use what you want and cut out how you want to cut it out. So I like doing that with laser files because laser files sometimes are so much cuter than regular boring SVG files. So I'll take a laser and separate the parts and just cut it out with paper. So we're going to put this here together. I probably will fast forward through this because you guys don't want to see me do all of this, I'm sure. So as I stated previously, I got this file from Creative Fabrica. It's actually a laser file, and I like working with these. All you do is take it apart and make it what you want to make it without the little extra attachments that you would need if it was wood. So just layer everything on. I'm using Cardstock Warehouse cardstock. I'll link them down below. And I just have some wet glue, and I'm just layering the files to add some dimension to it. So you can do this with any type of gift card, even make your own little gift card holder and add your own shabam to it. But I saw this reindeer, and because the reindeer from Shein was on the gift card, I tried to do a little pun. I thought it was funny. So, but make it your own, and you can turn those boring emails, or even if you print out the gift card receipt that you get and put it in an envelope. I know people do that. That still doesn't feel the same, but zhuzh up the envelope or make it extra snazzy. So here I'm just going through like the process of how I made this gift card for her, and I did another gift card which you won't see, but it's a snowman. So I thought that was cute too. But this is the one I just wanted to show you the walkthrough for how this came together, because you could actually make this yourself. Make this yourself. Get a reindeer, get some Christmas trees, put it all together, cut it out by hand or cut it out on your machine. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this, and I'll see you guys in a second. this is how they both turned out. I hope you guys do try this. All the links will be listed down below in the description box. If I don't talk to you, have a Merry Christmas.